Hey guys, what's going on? Got a video for you today. It's gonna be a quicker one. I'm just in a really terrible mood, to be honest. I wasn't gonna do a video, but I also didn't want to not post. I don't feel like going through everything. I just want to get out of here. I'm not trading well. I am up $100, but I was up a lot more than that before Well, anyways, I traded ELTK really well. It came out of a halt, and I initially scalped it with 1,000 shares, so it made a high as it came out of the halt, right here around 250, and then it came back down, and then as it was surging back through 250, I hit buy on the ask about 1,000 shares, and I missed the sell up here, so I just sold on the bid, and I only made what 5 or 6 cents on that, so 60 bucks. So that was okay, and then I let it do its thing. It kind of surged all the way up here to 290, and then it pulled back. I tried to catch it on the double bottom here at 263. We're still above VWAP. I'm going to try and provide at least some value in this video other than being completely miserable. So I tried to catch it for the double bottom here, and I missed the buy on the bid, so I immediately bought on the ask. And again, that was 1,000 shares. It got broken up into two orders because I bought up the rest of the shares at 272 or something, and then it went to 274, 5. I don't know what happened there. And then I was just selling right up towards the highs again, and I saw this flag. However you want to draw this, or this pennant, I guess. It was consolidating. I thought we were going to break out, and this is where things started to take a turn for the worse. I was up, what, 300? 400 at this point or something on this stock, and then I'm buying 1,000 shares for this breakout, and it's a false breakout. It gets stuffed on this huge volume. We come back down to VWAP. I add 1,500 and then 2,000 onto VWAP and the support here. So I'm thinking now that it was looking more like this. Completely reasonable there. But if I had gotten stopped at a 2,000 shares here, down here for almost 20 cents, I would have wiped out the whole profit on the name. I think it was 2,000 shares, yeah. Because my average was just somewhere right around here. So as I'm selling towards high of day, we're only adding $100, $150 worth of profit, and I missed the exit. So I'm trying to sell in the bid. My platform was lagging a bit because there's so many orders going through here in this candle that I started to sell in the bid in 200 share increments. I didn't really see that I was getting filled immediately, and then it started saying filled, so I just kept hitting sell in the bid. I think it was like 200 shares or 100 shares at a time. I guess this was a pretty good trade. I just shouldn't have added here, right? And then things started to go downhill from there. I was trading the MES. The SPY went straight up today, and I'm trying to short it, right? So, I don't know what the hell I was thinking. When I shorted it here at the start of the day, this was okay because I was shorting pre-market highs. So that one just didn't work out. But why am I even trying to go short? We came down into yesterday's lows, or yesterday's highs. Where are we here? We dipped down perfectly, like literally perfectly. If we put the high right here, we dipped down right into it, especially then at the open, we dipped down again. On a 1-minute candle, we just briefly dipped, and then we just took off. So I wasn't even thinking about the long for some reason. I mean, there's all this news about Trump is reducing tariffs on this and that, and automakers, whatever it is, so the market is clearly bullish. We just broke out of this downward channel. I'm not thinking straight. And it's for a combination of a lot of reasons. I haven't been sleeping well. I've just been burning myself out on this and some other things that have been going on. So I'm clearly starting to trade a lot worse. And I don't know. It took immense discipline to not do anything crazy in here on ELTK. Like, I was sure that it was going to high of day right here, and then I was thinking of buying up in here, and if I had a bought with like 1,000 shares again, I'd be down $200, and then who knows what I would have done from there. Maybe taken more risk and then been down more and more and more. So I'm just calling it today with this. This is oh man, I don't even know what to say. So sorry that this isn't as valuable, but you know, this kind of shows some of the emotions that traders go through, and I think I'm just gonna take tomorrow off. I haven't been doing well on Fridays. I'm really not feeling well. I got like 3.5 hours of sleep, and it's starting to show on my trading. And I think what's more important is I kind of regroup for Monday, really reinforce what I'm trying to do here, and just take actual good setups. Like I missed the long completely on the on ELTK, or not ELTK, the MES. Like I didn't even try to long it, and it was, I think, a clear long now that I'm looking at it. You know, we broke out of 2 key levels, 3 key levels in this area, and then we just took off, and there was a perfect entry. You would call it, I guess, my A+ setup. We broke out of a daily level, and then we came back into it, and I wasn't buying. So I'm trading like an idiot. I don't feel well, so I think we'll just see you guys on Monday. I'm going to take a break. I've done pretty damn well this week. Like, I'm looking at my account balance, and it's already way up from where I brought it back down to, so I'm just going to regroup. I don't want to do anything stupid, especially I don't want to go into Friday again like I did, last week or the week before with, like, a big loser. I'm just not willing to do that. I think it'd be good if I just slept in, got some sleep. I have to work my other job this afternoon, so I'm going to do that and just kind of chill. Just chill this weekend. So, if you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down there, whatever. We'll see you later.